welcome to Allison AI. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how I got into the drone industry, what brought me there, how to pass the test, what all certifications you need, what are some rules just to be aware of even if you don't want to get certified, all in today. So I began my drone journey in August of 2021. I remember that I got into it because I was really interested in investing into real estate in any form. I had my real estate license, but I just wasn't a salesperson. I really liked doing stuff on my own, but I'm like half introverted, half extroverted, and I need to be fully extroverted if I wanted to be a saleswoman, is how I felt. And so I still really wanted to deal with homes and see homes, and so actually, because drones were a new thing, the Part 1 of 7 just came out in 2016, so this was in 2020. I was thinking about it. I ended up getting a drone, just flew it around for fun, figured out if it was actually going to be something that I was interested in, and it fully was. I mean, the day I got my drone, I could not stop flying it. I was obsessed with it. I had it with me everywhere. I had it on all my BMX events, on all my adventures, camping, my dad's races. It was everywhere. So, I really loved it because I love video games and I love I just love like being occupied, and it just feels like it's a toy, truthfully. Flying your drone as a job feels like you're flying a toy, which is fun. So, and I love jobs that are fun. So I ended up studying. I got on Pilot Institute. It's this guy, Greg something. They're out of Peoria, Arizona, right by Phoenix area, sorry, I'll scratch that. They're out of Arizona, a great company. They also offer, private pilot lessons and like actual like information about just aviation in general, but he also stems out and does like drone. And then they also do like a drone mastery course, like for like skills and like technical moves and everything, which is, I also got that one. That one was super smart. I would say the course took me, give or take, probably about 15 to 20 hours total. And then the test is just a 60 question multiple choice test. You take it at the nearest test location to you, and hopefully you pass, and then your journey's starting. So it's actually pretty simple. I do plan on actually dropping a course here in the near future for you guys because I have had a couple questions. I do know that if you are just a hobbyist and just want to do it for fun, you do have to get the trust certificate, TRUST, and that is just so you are still following the airspace and just know kind of some of the laws. It's not all the information that you are required to take for the test, but I mean, it's just be aware because the airspace is very serious, and if there's an accident up there, you're gonna kill someone if there's an accident. So they always want you to be safe, be cautious, and thank you guys. So have a wonderful day. I will be talking more about drones, of course, throughout this week. I'm thinking of doing a skit next on FPV drones and just the differences of normal drones and FPV drones, so stay tuned.